How to change the app icon size that appears on your home screen and in your app drawer for your Motorola phone running Android 15. To find this setting, go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen like this until this shows up. You're gonna go to where it says Home Settings over here. And once you reach here now, you're gonna see these different options. Not every Motorola phone has this feature, but if it does, you'll find it right here, icon size. As you tap on it, you're gonna be taken to this here in which you have a preview of the app size here, the icon size there, and you have the slider here which you can adjust from either smallest, and then that's going to be small, normal, large, and you have the largest. Now this doesn't give you more room for more apps. If you're looking for more room for more apps, you're going to have to come out of here, close this out, and long press. Again, go to personalize. And once you're in this section here, go down until you see layout. This is going to be the grid layout option to give you more room for more apps, if that's what you were looking for. Like and sub.